Hey, Elder Keith Films with How to Open Up a Halfway House. Listen, if you're interested in learning more about how to get paid in the halfway house business, because I always get that question, and that's reasonable. Who's going to pay you? So one thing that I need you to get and get this into your head, you are the one that has to provide the necessary tools for your people to pay. So if you're seeking people that will, or ways that you can get guaranteed income, then you can look for those people that got a guaranteed check, like veterans, mental health and substance abuse, people that are very, very high functioning, retirement folks, people that are marginalized and cannot afford first, last, and security are the perfect client that will stay in your place for a very long time. Now, you don't want to be a continuous landlord. You want to stay a program. And so you have some people that have no family that will probably stay with you a very long time. So you got to think in ways that how you can matriculate them and then be able to get them their own apartment, or better yet, apartment that you really own at the very end. Because one of the things that we always want to teach you how to do is think in terms of providing the full continuum. When they come into your home, they matriculate out of your program and they're going into a building that your nonprofit was able to purchase for $0. If you want to learn these strategies, then just come into my workshop. Go to my website, www.openupahalfwayhouse.com. Sign up. Man, we had an amazing time in our training last night. All we talked about was testimonials. Some of my main students, I call them my rock stars, they shared their journey and how they got started. 63 beds, 19 beds, 120 beds, some of my people. So these are things that you want to do. So one thing, again, let's go back to what we're talking about. You don't worry about who pays. You only think in terms of providing them with a place and providing them with opportunities that they can pay. Okay? Again, Elder Keith Films with How to Open Up a Halfway House. Also, go to our YouTube channel. There's a lot of documentation there. Content there. Go to our Facebook page, Halfway House Mastermind Tribe. Join the movement. Join the movement.